Next, let's talk about the modern world we live in since the Industrial Revolution and look at how it's changed human populations, economics, and food production. With the agricultural revolution, human populations slowly increased over the past few thousand years. Fairly recently, in the past 200 years or so, we see a sharp increase in human population going from around 1 billion people to rapidly reaching the current population of 7.5 billion. Population is determined by birth rates and death rates. Populations grow when you either have more births or less deaths. The Industrial Revolution began in Europe around 1750 or so. It was made possible by new technologies and ways of organizing workers to produce goods or food. One side effect of the Industrial Revolution is that new technologies in production of food decrease the death rate, leading to that dramatic jump in human population. The Industrial Revolution also resulted in what we call globalization, or increased global interaction, both social and economic. Global trade has led to the creation of great wealth, but has also resulted in greater disparity between the wealthy and the poorer countries. In order to feed this growing population, greater technology is currently being used to grow more food. The use of science to increase the food supply is what we call the Green Revolution. So, changes to technologies and trade with the Industrial Revolution changed the way we grow food. The result is a transition from subsistence agriculture, where you grow food that you and your family eat, to commercial or industrial agriculture, where you grow food to sell on a global market. One side effect of this has been a reduction in the diversity of the food we grow. As food production has become more industrialized, it has also become more homogeneous with less varieties of food. The downside of this is that our food supply is less well adapted to changing conditions, including changing climates. One change we are currently concerned with is changes resulting from increased carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Since we started measuring it in the 1950s, we found that carbon dioxide is steadily increasing. If we look further back in time using information from natural sources like ice, we can see that these increases have come about since the Industrial Revolution in the mid-1800s, as we started to burn fossil fuels as a power source and increased our population size. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that slows down heat escaping from the Earth and increases global temperatures. While the average temperature of the Earth is rising, climate systems are complex and different places can be impacted differently. More importantly, changes in temperature also affect rainfall patterns, such as causing drought, which can affect our food supply.